Hello, fellow humans. Welcome to Lone Star Land Channel. Have you been thinking about moving to North Texas, North DFW, or particularly in the northwest Fort Worth area, around Springtown, Boyd, Azle, Weatherford, any of that? Well, if you've been looking in the Eagle Mountain Lake area, today's hopefully going to pique your interest. We're going to join myself and a client at a property we checked out a week or so ago in Azle, Texas, and it is in the $500,000 range. So glad you stopped by. Buckle up and let's go take a look. So, welcome. Let's take a look at this place. It's pretty cool. It's just about an acre, and we'll start here in the family room. It's a nice room. We've got some nice tiles that has an exterior room we'll take a look at in a bit. Nice fireplace and mantle. Plenty of space for entertaining. Nice tall ceilings. Got some vaulted areas. Nice views of the back, which we'll take a look at here in a bit as well. And here we're gonna head towards the kitchen. We've got some nice stainless appliances, lots of really pretty wood grain cabinetry, granite countertops. Pretty open to the dining and living space. Nice tumbled marble and decorative backsplashes. Big pantry over to the side for storing all your goodies. Got some room up at the bar for some bar stools and dine in there. Got a nice outdoor living area that's been kind of enclosed, and this spot just outside of this, there is a really nice deck. We'll show you here in a second, and good outdoor space for entertaining and cooking. And then just off to the side of that is a detached garage you can use for a shop or a she shed or whatever you need. At this point, we were talking about the corner where the home connects to this addition, as there was some stress evidence outside and maybe a little moisture evidence on the inside. From there we head into the bedrooms and the bathroom. This is the hall bathroom. Pretty standard wood grain, Corian countertops. Heading over to the first bedroom. Nothing spectacular, but it was a nice sized bedroom. And we will head out to the next bedroom down the hall here in just a moment. There's the other bedroom, and you could, use that detached garage for she shed, shop, man cave. It's fully air conditioned, and lots of options for that. Take a look here at the office by the front entry. Got a nice view of the front porch and the big front yard. This office space could be used as another bedroom if you wanted to. It does have the door and closet and all of that. It would be a little smaller bedroom, but it could function for that if that's what you wanted. And remember, we cover everything from Wise County all the way east to Louisiana, including Fort Worth, Kinney, Collin County, North Dallas, Longview, Nacogdoches, and Tyler metro areas. And if you're not into the Eagle Mountain Lake scene, we also cover areas of north central popular lake areas, including Lake Fork, Cedar Creek, Tawakoni, Richmond Chambers, Palestine, Lavon, Lake Louisville, Lake Dallas, Lake Ray Roberts, Lake Grapevine, Lake Ray Hubbard. So if you want a lake situation, we can help you out. Here's a quick reminder to hit that like button, subscribe and share with folks who will appreciate learning about Texas real estate and life in the Lone Star State. Check that link in the description to schedule a video chat with me, and we hope to hear from you soon. Now back to our video. Asking price of $509,999. Built in 2007. 4-bed, 2-bath, 1 acre. About 23-34 square feet. Parker County, City of Azle, Windy Hill Estates. Third phase, just like the other one we saw across the road. This one, our property taxes are approximately $63.62 unexempt. If you have a homestead or senior, you can maybe get those lowered. Lot size 43,560. That is 1 acre, and doesn't seem to have any other details on here for that. Let's see, no swimming pool, 1 fireplace, wood burning, aerobic septic, water well, I believe, on this one also. Electric heat and air, 3 garage spaces. Azle ISD, again, as the other one we did across the road. This one is in Silver Creek Elementary. Azle High School. Some tidbits about the Azle area. It's around 15 miles or so from Fort Worth, so you've still got kind of the rural thing going on, but you're still close enough to the big city for convenience. Azle was first settled in 1846 by Dr. James Azle Stewart, and Azle used to be a major hub for wheat, cotton, melons, and dairy, which they still have some crops and farming going on out there. It's still pretty rural, but it is growing. They do have quite a few newer neighborhoods going up in that area, and a lot of folks are moving to that part of North Texas to kind of be a little further from the city, but still convenient to town for jobs and work and other shopping, stuff like that. So, well, thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Drop us a comment below with any questions that you might have, or any topics you'd like us to cover. We're here to help you navigate the Texas real estate scene, whether you're coming from another state, just moving across town. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon to stay connected with Lone Star Land. And until next time, keep exploring and loving the great state of Texas. We're viewing these on my website, lonestarland.us. Check back on that. And this one again is just here to the west of Fort Worth, near downtown Azle, about 30 minutes or so from Fort Worth. It's a nice little community over here.